guys, Sandy here, back with another baby video, and today I have a little surprise. He actually has his eyes open, and we're gonna see how long he's gonna be quiet and happy and not get fussy with me. But today I want to do his 3-month update. He's actually 3 months and 5 days old, and he's really chatty. Like, he's super chatty now, and it's the morning time, so hopefully he stays pretty well quiet. So let me try to hurry up and do this. Just some quick updates of what he's been doing. He sleeps completely all the way through the night. He still wakes up and feeds probably twice in the middle of the night, but he's probably gonna get fussy, you guys. He is actually more interactive now. Like, when you go to him, or if you make a face at him, he makes a face back, or him talking and liking to chat. He stays up a lot longer in the daytime now. His little cute yellow outfit is so cute. You guys, yesterday I just cleaned out his drawers. Oh no, not the little poopy face. Yesterday, I just cleaned out his drawers and got rid of all of his newborn clothes, didn't we? We got rid of all your newborn clothes. So now he's in 3 to 6 months, and the way that I went shopping for his clothes just being newborn and then turning around and getting the 3 to 6 months, that was so perfect. Oh, oh, my hair is wet, you guys, because we literally just woke up and I got out of the shower and I was like, he's so nice right now. Let me try to make this video. That's a no. Hold on, though. We're going to do this video with him kind of feeding. He is actually interacting and smiling and everything. When you talk to him, he'd talk. Wow. Back for the most part, you guys. This is going to be a really short video, but he is so much more interacting, and he's sleepy. Hey, look at the poopy face. Whoa. Whoa, look at the poopy face. Look at the poopy face. No. What else new do you do? I'm still only exclusively breastfeeding him. I'm not giving him a bottle yet. I'll probably give him a bottle when he's about, I don't know. I have no clue. Now I've just kind of learned not to say what I am and what I'm not gonna do, because when it comes to it and the moment changes and it's just like, it just changes. Yeah, who is that? Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Hold on. Hold him for 5 seconds. More like a minute and 30 seconds. Okay, so you guys might hear my husband in the background entertaining him, but I just wanted to wrap up this video really quick without him like squirming and stuff. But he is out of his newborn clothes. I just put all of his newborn clothes in like a little bag to get rid of or to save. Like, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet, but the way that I had just bought 8 outfits, I bought 8 onesies for him, and then like 1 pack of socks, which is 6 socks of newborns, and then his hats and his gloves. So all of those are now too small, and now I have moved into his 3 to 6 month range of clothing, and I just put those in the drawer. I didn't record it because it was so quick, because I don't have mounds and mounds of clothes like hanging up or to look through with him, because I kept it pretty simple when I went clothes shopping. But he's no longer in newborns anymore. He is officially in 3 to 6 months, and it is so crazy because just last week he was actually fitting in his newborn clothes. It was like perfectly, and now this week it's like, whoa, he doesn't fit in them at all. But he still eats about every 2.5, 3 hours every day. It's so funny. He is really picking up on our faces, our voices. He's starting to follow when we are walking across the room. He will follow with his head, and he's like actually starting to reach to us now. So it's so cute, and he can kind of stand up on his legs, like not stand, but he's like making his legs really strong. And this is kind of like between a 2 and a 3 month, because at his 1.5 month is when he really started talking and being more vocal. So this is going to be like a smash up of a 2 and 3 month video. So hopefully next month I will be able to get into this and be able to do the video. But if he's kind of fussy, it's kind of difficult to do the video with him fussing. So I just want to make sure that he's okay. So yeah, tomorrow he's going to be 3 months and 1 week old. So today is June 1st of 2020, if I didn't say so. And I know I put out my videos late, but like I said, it's kind of for my records too, and it's just nice to look back on. But today is June 1st of 2020, and we are still in quarantine here in Seattle, Washington. We have not moved into phase 2 at all. So we are pretty much still being here in the house, and hopefully the clothes that I bought him, he's got 9 3 to 6 month outfits. Hopefully the quarantine is over where we could go to TJ Maxx, Burlington to go look for some more clothes for him. But if not, then we just go to Walmart, and I do wash all of his clothes. Even before the whole pandemic happened, I washed all of his clothes. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much a really quick update. He's still only eating breast milk. He's sleeping through the night. His bedtime is 8:30, 9 o'clock, but we're always in the bed by 8:25. So I guess you could say his bedtime is 8:30. And we take a shower every other day to every 2 days. It just depends on what his skin looks like. And what I put on his skin is, y'all already know, the Vaseline. But I put olive oil in the Vaseline. So that's what I put on his body. And we are still cloth diapering him. So just to show you guys that. And what we use for baby powder, I actually just make his own little baby powder thing with cornstarch. So I'm pretty much going all natural. These are his cloth wipes. So that's what we are still currently doing right now with him, with bath and diaper and all of that stuff. So I hope this video wasn't too all over the place, but a lot of my videos might be all over the place because they're pretty impromptu. But I just want to get it out there, like what we're doing, just a little documentation. If you guys have any questions or anything, please leave them down in the comment section. Like if I'm missing anything, like I said, hopefully I can get better at these. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully this helps someone. We just keep it really simple over here. So hopefully this helps someone, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.